Hello, my name is John Partridge, and this is Python with a Worldview. I'm a Christian educator, primarily a mathematics teacher, but I've also had the benefit and the blessing of teaching several years of computer science. This is for any Christian educator, whether it be homeschool or private school or wherever, and you want to learn Python or you have a child who wants to learn computer science concepts. The difference between this course and other computer science courses is that we approach this with a biblical worldview, because our biblical worldview defines everything else we do in life. Who is God? Who is Jesus Christ? And what has He done for us? It actually is possible to integrate who God is through the scriptures in our studies of computer science and anything else. I hope this is a blessing to you. God bless you, wherever you are today.